Stop saying reduce risk in professional English. If you want to sound more strategic and executive level, say this instead. Mitigate. Welcome to Vocabulary Engine, one powerful English word every day to help you speak confidently and professionally. Today's word is mitigate. Mitigate means to reduce or make something less severe. It is mostly used when talking about risks, problems, damage, or negative situations. When you say mitigate, you sound analytical and professional. Mitigate. Repeat after me. Mitigate. We implemented new controls to mitigate risks. That means we took action to reduce potential problems. The company took steps to mitigate financial losses. This sounds more strategic than just saying, reduce losses. Proper planning helps mitigate project delays. It means planning reduces the negative impact of delays. In a business meeting you can say, we need to mitigate operational risks. This sounds professional, controlled, and strategic. Be careful, mitigate is not used for simple daily actions. Wrong. I mitigate my breakfast. Correct. I reduce my sugar intake. Mitigate is mostly used in formal, business, legal, or risk-related situations. Let's review. Mitigate means to reduce or make something less severe, especially risks or negative outcomes. Now write your own sentence using mitigate in the comments. Subscribe to Vocabulary Engine and improve your English one word at a time. See you tomorrow.